estimate activity duration. How to do that? Activity is project lowest level. At this level, you are going to define a certain amount of work, task, okay? Because all these activities are task dependent. There is certain amount of work to do. If there is trench excavation, there is 34 kilometer. Excavation can be calculated by its three dimensions, cubic meter, like length, width, and depth, right? So there is certain amount of work given in this excavation, concrete, pipeline, how much length, how many welding points. Every activity is carrying some certain amount of work. So by this work, we want to actually convert this work into duration. How? By the implementation of mathematical productivity formula. Productivity. It's very simple to understand productivity. Work done in unit time. Like if I can, maybe there is 34 kilometers, and by my analysis, in this analysis, which we call resource analysis, my quantity surveyor is there, my site supervisors are there, my site engineers are there, my site staff, you can say there. They can make analysis. Every document which I will recommend you people to take help from to estimate activity durations require such kind of resource analysis. And already established document also have been established by such kind of practices, that quantity surveyor with site staff is going to observe that like let's say excavation is going on. So in 1 hour, it's going to work for 10 meter. Okay. 1 hour, my complete crew is going to work for 10 meter only. So this is my productivity. This is excavation, right? So on the basis of this with observation, I'm going to calculate my 34 kilometer man hours. Got my point? And that's how I'm going to share with you people. The next slide I will be sharing here. See, and here is productivity. And in so right now, I'm just interested to do, see, this is French excavation, 34 kilometer unit of measure. This is 10 meter. In 1 hour, 10 meter. Trench bedding in 1 hour, 10 meter. This is the sources that excavator is going to work.